Okay, so in today's video, I just wanted to kind of show you a few things before I get on to the math portion. This is the website. You should see you should be able to go here. I sent you guys the link that has the assignments every week that you will be seeing. I will post these assignments every Sunday, so all the assignments are due by Friday of that week. You can see here we have our reading assignments, we have our science assignments, social studies and writing, math, and ELA. You can order them, categorize them, filter them in specific subjects. You would click math, for example. You can click filter, and you see here it then has just the math assignment. So if you guys get behind and you want to just look at the math assignments, you can do that. So today's math assignment is measuring and understanding weight. If you click on that, you can see through the week, this is what I would want you to work on. So for example, what today we're going to work on is B6. And it actually sends you there. So B6, which customary unit of weight is appropriate? Now, there's different ways to measure. There are customary, which is ounces, which is considered OZ, that's abbreviation OZ, ounces, and pounds, okay? Pounds, which you see pounds. Now, later on, LBS, that's the abbreviation for pounds. Later on, we're going to learn about metric measuring of weight. But today, we're just going to worry about this customary ounces. This is what we're normally used to. We normally weigh ounces and pounds. Now we're estimating again. So if you remember right, estimating is to about how much. So which is a better estimate for the weight of the bicycle. Now to help you understand what ounces are, I'm going to give you some examples. Like an example of an ounce of something is about 2 pencils. So if you can hold in 2 pencils, how much that weighs about an ounce. Or if you put a piece of bread in your hand, that weighs about an ounce. Now, pound. You know how much maybe you weigh, but how much does 1 pound weigh? Or an example would be if you've ever held a baseball in your hand, or if you've ever held a stick of butter in your hand. Those are kind of examples. I actually pulled up some other examples here, like a bag of coffee or a cell phone. Hold up your cell phone. That weighs about a pound. So if we look here, which is the better estimate for a weight of a bicycle? Now remember, 1 pound is like 1 pound is a cell phone. And 1 ounce weighs about what 2 pencils would weigh if you held it in your hand. So which would be a better estimate of a bicycle? Now, 25 of these, 25 ounces, 25 2 pencils, so that would be about 50 pencils. Do you think a bicycle would weigh the same as 50 pencils? Do you think it would weigh about 25 cell phones? If you put 25 cell phones and you held them in your hands, would that weigh about what a bicycle would weigh? Yes, if you picked 25 pounds, you are correct. Okay. Now it continues. Which is a better estimate for the weight of an apple? Again, you have to think. An ounce, 1 ounce weighs about what 2 pencils weigh, and 1 pound is what a cell phone weighs. Would an apple weigh 5 pounds or 5 ounces? 5 cell phones, an apple, or 5 2 pencils? That'd be about 10 pencils. If you picked 5 ounces, then you were correct. Okay, so that is what we will be working on today. You can move on if you'd like to. You can move on to these other things like, let's see here, BB6, BB7. Those are the customary units. Later on, we'll work on the metric units. But as I said before, the assignments are on the website right here.